And what's the worst one that you've
Put everything in your portfolio.
ever
Well,
tried?
I heard this like you should put everything in your portfolio right from the start, like the
Mm,
small doodles that you made when you were a kid
right.
in school. Put
Mm,
that as well because they like to see the growth. No, don't do that.
mm,
Don't do that. It's very important that you show that you've done your research. When I went to MIT ID for their interview round,
mm,
it went well, and at the end of the round, they asked me, like, do you have any questions for us? And I asked them, what is the biggest flaw that you see in animation aspirants that come here every year? And they said that we believe we all are flawed in one way or another, but we do find lack of preparation to be underwhelming. So if you put a bunch of illustrations in your portfolio, it may be very well rendered, but you may not get through because you've not done the research for the industry.
right.
So yeah, that it's important to be precise in the portfolio, but I do
Mm,
believe I overdid it a little bit with the projects, but
mm.
I'm glad that it you know it is where it is what it is right now.